come across articles all the time that I know I can use for reference later, like in writing a blog post or creating a checklist, but I don't need it right now. So I'd like to save it where I can easily find it when I need it, and Trello is a great place for me to save it. I want to keep this article from Real Simple, entitled 5 Simple Decluttering Strategies to Make Letting Go of Items Easier. So I copy the title. I'm going to highlight it. And I'm on a Mac and I'm going to use Command C to copy it. Then I go to my Trello board. In this case, it's content articles about home decluttering. And I'm going to add it to this list called decluttering. So I click on add a card and then Command V, I paste it in. And I usually add the date so I can keep up with how current the information actually is. Then I click on the edit pencil and open the card. I go back to the article, highlight and copy the URL, Command C, and then in the description, Command V, I paste it and save it, and you can see it goes back to the actual title of the article. And I can close that. I can go back and close my article. I don't need that anymore. Then when I want to take a look at this article again, I'll open the card and click on my link, and it takes me right back to my article. So that's one simple way that you can save online articles for later use in Trello. I'm Vicki Peel with Her Life Hacks. For more tips and hacks that save you time, energy, and or money in the areas of home, your lifestyle, or food, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks.